Have you ever hit a wall in your business where usual tricks stop working and no matter how hard you push, it feels like you're just spinning your wheels? You know deep down you're capable of more, but something invisible seems to be holding you back. What if I told you that the next level of growth isn't about adding more tactics or working longer hours? It's about eliminating the resistance that's blocking your natural momentum. Welcome back to Next Step Empire. I'm Justin Kaiser, and I've been building businesses for the last 24 years, including scaling a solar company into the largest solar franchise brand in the US before a merger with a publicly traded company, Stardust Solar. In today's episode, we're talking about what I call removing friction, unlocking flow. And it might just be the missing piece that you've been searching for. Most people don't fail from lack of effort, they fail from internal friction. Self doubt, unclear vision, fear of judgment, perfectionism, these are all forms of friction. And here's the thing, when you're in a state of friction, every step feels heavy. But when you remove it, your energy surges, your decisions get clearer, you start making moves with less hesitation and more confidence. So, let me walk you through the exact three-part framework that I use to eliminate that internal drag and shift into flow, not just once, but consistently. Step one, spot the friction that's slowing you down. You can't fix what you can't see. The first step is becoming radically honest with yourself about where resistance is hiding in plain sight. Ask yourself, where do I procrastinate the most? Where do I feel drained, overwhelmed, or stuck? Friction shows up in many different ways. Maybe it's perfectionism that keeps you tweaking your offer instead of launching. Maybe it's fear of rejection that stops you from reaching out to potential clients. Maybe it's an outdated belief like, I'm not ready yet, or I'm not the kind of person that succeeds at this level. Here's the truth, most friction is internal, not external. It often disguises itself as logic, but in reality, it's fear in a suit. One simple exercise that works for this is to write down your three biggest goals right now. Then, for each one, ask, why haven't I already achieved this? Be brutally honest with yourself. These answers will reveal exactly where friction is living, and awareness is just the beginning of elimination. Step two, break the pattern. Don't battle it. Most people try to fight resistance with willpower, but that rarely works long term. You don't win by pushing harder, you win by pattern breaking. Once you spot the friction, create a specific interruptive move to disrupt it. For example, if you tend to hesitate before sending a proposal, practice taking immediate action as soon as the draft is complete. Don't let overthinking creep in. Review it once, trust your preparation, and then send it. The more you condition yourself to act decisively, the more natural confidence becomes. Train your nervous system that taking action is safer than hesitation. Here's another powerful technique, change your environment. If you're stuck in mental loops, move. Go for a walk, change locations, turn on different music. Friction thrives in stagnant energy. Momentum is created by motion. Now, here's a deeper level. Start speaking to yourself like someone who is already beyond that resistance. This isn't about lying to yourself, it's about upgrading your internal language. Instead of, I hope this works, shift to, I'm learning how to master this. That change in tone rewires your identity. Remember, your subconscious listens to how you talk about yourself. So speak from your next level, not your limitations. Step three, design your day for frictionless flow. High performers don't leave their energy to chance, they engineer it. Flow isn't random, it's the result of alignment plus action minus resistance. Start by identifying your highest energy time of day, then protect it like gold. Don't waste your peak hours on emails or reactive work. Use it to create, build, pitch, or sell. Next, build friction reducing habits. Lay out your priorities the night before. Set boundaries on distractions. Use time blocks for deep work. And most importantly, create rituals that put you in a peak state of mind. That might be a morning run, journaling, visualizing your future self, or reviewing your vision. Think of your rituals as launching pads. They clear the runway so your actions can take off without internal resistance. One habit that I use that makes a huge difference is what I call the 5 before 9 rule. I complete 5 needle moving actions before 9 a.m. and I start at 5 in the morning. Now, that could be preparing a pitch, reviewing KPIs, writing copy, or checking in with key team members. It's not about being busy, it's about building early momentum that compounds throughout the day. Small wins early equals big wins later. And don't forget, friction often shows up right before a breakthrough. So if you feel it rising, don't panic. Smile. It means that you're close. Just don't stop. Keep going. Clear the path, step over hesitation. That's how you enter flow. I'm going to leave you with one next step challenge. For the next 3 days, track your friction. At the end of each day, journal the moment when you felt the most resistance. What triggered it? What were you thinking of or believing at the time? Then write down one action that you can take tomorrow to interrupt that pattern. It could be a bold move, a shift in language, a schedule change, or even a mindset reframe. The key is to take back control from hesitation. Remember, momentum doesn't come from waiting to feel ready. It comes from moving in spite of resistance. That's how you become unstoppable. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this episode, share it with someone that's building their own business. They might be fighting their own friction right now and could use this. Also, drop me a comment. What's the biggest source of friction in your business right now? I want to know. And what's the one pattern that you're committed to breaking this week? If you don't have a business yet and you want a proven business model to get started, book a call with me. A Stardust Solar franchise just might be your path to financial freedom. Not only can you build your wealth by growing your business, you can also get a 25,000 stock option signing bonus and earn more options with every customer that you get. So you're also building your equity as a partner. My link's below if you want to chat about that. Until then, spot the friction, break the pattern, design your day for flow. That's how empires are built. I believe in you. Now go build your empire. Be well. Remember, you are amazing.